Welcome to PA Timber Goose. Another lovely morning spent out in the woods. Today we're going to check out the Iron Horse Train Tunnel. I drove over top of 3 mountains and then the road kind of backtracked into the mountains. So I'm not exactly sure where I am. I will put a location down in the description. So this is less than half a mile from where I parked. Let's take a look here. Look at that big tunnel. That's really cool looking. Lots of water in the bottom. Let's take a look at the Iron Horse Train Tunnel that was never completed. It's about 20 to 30 degrees cooler in here than it is outside. I gotta watch I don't fall. Everything is wet and covered in mud. There's lots of debris in here. It must be backwashing when the water comes down off the mountain. It looks like it's about 100 feet to the back. Let's turn the camera around. Looks a little foggy at the entrance. It's very cool in here. Very moist. You can see my breath. Pretty cool back here. Never actually walked into an abandoned tunnel like this. That's about as far as it goes. Lots of water in there. It's probably a few feet deep. That's where it stopped. Got some loose rock hanging up there. Probably a couple pieces of them are going to come down. There's what looks like used to be an old bird nest. Sorry if the camera's steaming up. It's very moist in here. The colors of the rock are very beautiful. Almost looks like a red sandstone. Lots of cracks in there. Eventually that's going to come down. I'm not going to spend too much time in here. I don't want anything coming down on me. That view looks so cool with the steam escaping to the outside warm air. This is definitely worth the drive to get here. I got up pretty early this morning. It took me about 3 hours to get here. So I had to find an area that had more than one bar so my GPS would work. And then we just backtracked. Over by Ickesburg, you only got one bar, so your GPS isn't going to work very well until you go over one of the mountains on either side. There it is, the Iron Horse Train Tunnel. Goes in about 100 yards. Comes to an abrupt stop. Sandstone is very beautiful. And we're going to explore around here a little bit more. See what else we can find. This is a beautiful spot to bring a lunch and spend the day. Lots of camping spots in the state forest. Campsites are very reasonable. And you can always wilderness camp for nothing at all. You have to be, I believe, 100 feet away from the water source and 200 yards away from a road or a path. You can camp for free pretty much anywhere you want to. Let's continue down the trail. This trail is going to make a right once you come out of the train tunnel. I'm not sure how much of this trail I'm going to walk. We'll see what it looks like down here. See if there's anything cool to investigate or video. You never know what you're going to find in these old areas like this, especially in a state forest. There's some cool mini cabins down the road. You look like they have a couple beds in each one, like an 8x10 cabin. Very similar to French Creek, but in much better condition. All right, let's follow this trail down, see what else we can find. Back out on the road. I didn't follow the trail back down. we're going to hop back into RAV4. We're going to check out this road here and see where it goes. Maybe there's something cool at the other end. It's a pretty nice view back here. I'm fairly high up on the mountain. I have the whole park to myself here. Let me turn the camera around and you can take a look at the other side of the mountain here. We're up in the air fairly high. It just doesn't look like it. We're going to take a ride down this road and give my all-wheel drive a test. See how it works. There's also a new road on top of the mountain. It's State Game Lands 88, which is Ickesburg, if I'm pronouncing that correctly. It was recently built. It goes across the mountain about 1.5 miles. And there are multiple parking lots. Once Spring Gobbler opens, that gate will be open and you can drive back there. That's probably a pretty good view down across the valley. There's also a very large stone quarry on top of that mountain on the other side of State Game Lands 88. You can see it on Google Earth. It looks really large. But unfortunately, we can't walk back in there. It's a construction site. Alright, we'll see you back at the car. And we'll do some more exploring once we get back in the RAV. Thanks for coming along today on the Iron Horse Train Tunnel Trail. If you like these kinds of videos, give this video a like. Hit that subscribe button, help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Welcome to the family, and as always, we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.